So yeah, I'm barely putting any input into my steering. It's really nice. What else is there to say? So average fuel economy is 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers, and that's pretty good. Like, that's with some aggressive driving, and it's staying at a rock steady 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers. So that's pretty good. Like, I will eventually get a truck, but just the fuel consumption in trucks is just ridiculous. So I'm waiting for the Cybertruck to come out, and then I'll purchase that maybe. Because, yeah, fuel economy is important to me. And, yeah. So this... getting off on Grandview. I'm getting off on First Avenue, I believe. So I'm gonna go off on First. So this Tacoma is probably pulling 5,000 kilograms. I actually don't know the weight of the trailer, but that is pretty much the maximum weight. And it would actually feel pretty hairy in that thing. I wouldn't actually tow that big of a trailer with that small of a truck. But depending on the weight, it might be okay. I have no idea. Listen to some music. Listen to some pump-up music, yeah. So yeah, the sound system is pretty good. And as you can see from the back, I tinted my windows. I put like $250 to tint my windows because I don't want people staring at me when I don't want them to stare at me. Give me a little bit more privacy, so that, yeah. So it feels a little bit more executive, a little bit more as classy. Put it back in normal. So now I can put the brake hold on, I can take my foot off the pedal, and I'm just completely in rest mode. enough music. Let's just chill. Now obviously this car isn't for everyone because some people want a bit more sportiness, but for me I actually just don't want that much noise because for my job I just drive trucks and they are loud as fuck. Like literally my hearing is impaired because of that shit. I have to wear hearing protection, so I don't need loud shit in my life anymore. I'm not trying to impress anybody either, so this car is really just for me because, yeah. So it has a auto braking feature, which is also really nice. All of this stuff is like new to me, so that's why I bought it.